Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I got something kind of exciting to share with you guys. You've been with me on this journey for such a long time. I just wanted to share with you guys one of my designs actually made it in this book. It's called The First Gate, Legend of the Shroud. This is the artist of this book, or the creator, author, whatever you want to call it, of this book, reached out to me and they said that they wanted to put one of my laser designs in this book here. So that's super cool, super exciting, something I'm going to share with you guys. What it is it's one of my little mini panda brawling kit superhero designs. So if you want one of the mighty pandas, check that out on Etsy. But with that said, it wasn't that one there. That's the only one I have left. It's actually this one right here. It's a little demon hunter. He wanted the artwork for it. Turned out awesome. I really appreciate it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I thought it was super cool. Hopefully you find it cool too. I really appreciate all your support on helping me with Etsy and my other page when I had my other page along the way. And I just wanted to say thank you for everything that you guys have ever done for me. I know my channel is still kind of small compared to other channels out there, but I really appreciate it. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. If you could do me a favor, hit like and hit subscribe. Maybe leave a comment down below. I would appreciate it. But yeah, other than that, I really appreciate it. I hope you guys find this cool. I sure do. I may print out a really big panda of this and put it next to the book. I don't know. It's kind of a cool little moment, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.